Hey, welcome. In this section, we are going to create another field within the products collection. And also, we are going to be able to upload real products. Okay. Now, the reason we are creating another field within this product collection is because in the future, we want the admin to be able to either approve or reject new products. Okay. To do this, we have to go back to our VS Code and then vendor folder and then views and then screens and then upload. Where do we have the upload screen? Okay, this is it over here. Upload screen, and we can use Control and B to make this wide. And now we can have a new field. We can call this field approve. Default, we can set it to false because we do not want to approve the product immediately the the vendor posts it.